If we study blur, off with your head. There you go. You know when bodies detach? Also, torsos, boobs. This is also boobs. We have to go back on this one later. But like this is like there's Resident Evil 4, right? I got some good footage, man. Monster Hunter Wilds. There's a lot going on in Monster Hunter Wilds, but let's just hope it's difficult, right? Because they're probably not going to show the difficulty yet. But just hope. If anything, it could just be exploration, though. You know what I'm saying? Like some are worried because they're running, but you know. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 13. Elden Ring. Room, 13 years old. Okay. That's pretty sad. That's Elden Ring's room. Okay. Okay. Let's go. There's that one. You excited, Pokemon fans? I'm kind of excited too. That's pretty crazy. Look at this one right here. Oh my gosh, dude. No. Devil Mario 64? There's sad face. Being a shiver. Lady Gaga when she's being carried by all her people in the music video. We have to have that kind of foot. That's a spiritual kind of foot. That's naughty foot. We could look at their feet in the music video, you know what I'm saying? We could do that. Let's go, no, right? You know what I'm saying? No. Ball roller. Yeah, ball roller. That's an interesting thing. Yeah, you have to do that with your feet. It's called ball rolling. It's pretty crazy. Do you understand what I'm saying now? This is evil, guys. This is pretty nuts. Yeah, this is evil. Because it's got attached to Wanderer's head, and we have like a, torso off for legs, head off kind of thing going down here. Now, this is blocked out, but like there's this whole entire little boob idea thing going on. And I tell you what, I think it's blocking it out due to like, here's this one right here, which is very good. I like that one. Ganon, when you face Ganon in Ocarina of Time, and you got Elma's kind of thing coming up, right? So this is really crazy right now. I hope because I do know about the sickle cells, I know about the veins, I know about the connection, and I've talked about body paint, right? Okay, so there's some crazy things going on with this idea right here. But, of course we have the necklaces of the certain characters that we know in video games, right? And cartoons and media and all that. But you see, there's celebrities that wear necklaces, right? Okay, so this is celebrities wearing certain kind of necklaces, right? And with the we're gonna have a lot of lizard stuff going on too, because I'm looking at Zelda Echoes of Wisdom, Mario 64 kind of stuff, looking at unis. But yeah, next time you look at the boobs, right there we go, 1, 2, 3, unfortunate 13 boob, whatever this is, right? You know, could be transgender also. You know, it just all depends, right? And then this one is like excitement right here of like, you know, grabbing the boobs, but like the boobs is running away. So like this is Mario 64, but like it's like what the heck does that mean, right? Running around, right? Running away. Uh Shadow of Colossus' Secret's really crazy. That's why I like Shadow of Colossus' Secret also, because Shadow of Colossus' Secret's kind of like, you know, they're like two different things, and they're really crazy. But they're out of this world, man. They're just like, you know, a lot. And that's why Lady Gaga was sitting like that, just to be like boobs, right? And she shows you a lot of her boobs in the music video. Yeah, doing it again. See, look, this is a crazy image in the game. Doing it again. Let's go with Banjo-Kazooie. Lowercase h. Right. There's BP, of course. Yeah, yeah.